Guys, welcome back to our channel again. So today we're going to do a Chinese style chicken wings adobo. Okay, Chinese style. Okay, so what we're gonna have is chicken wings, and we have ketchup, we have soya sauce, we have oyster sauce, grated garlic, grated ginger, and we have sesame oil, salt, and pepper. So we're gonna combine all of the ingredients and we're gonna put them in our chicken wings for marinade. Okay, so we're gonna marinate this for about, when you're in a rush, 30 to 45 minutes will do. Or if you want to be more tastier chicken wings, you can leave it overnight. Okay, so we mix all together. Our ginger, garlic, our ketchup, soya sauce, our oyster sauce, our sesame oil. Okay, because most cuisines of Chinese, they use mostly sesame oil because it has more flavor for them and also the smell. Okay, so this is now our marinated chicken. We're gonna put this in our fridge for a couple of hours or even overnight. But if you're in a hurry, you don't need to put in the fridge. Just leave it outside for 30 to 45 minutes while you're still preparing for some other dish. Okay, so after overnight of marinating, we're now going to bake our chicken wings Chinese style. If you want, you also can boil it for about 5 minutes until all the liquids will be dissolved inside the chicken wings, and then just slightly fry it. Okay, and usually Chinese cuisine consists of fried things, a lot of fried things, but now we'll make it a little bit healthier. I'm just going to put it in the oven and bake it. Okay, so this is now our chicken wings, baked chicken wings, Chinese style. So yummy, healthier version than fried chicken wings. See the color? It blends all together. Okay, so this is now our Chinese style baked chicken wings. See the color? So next. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we're going to do two famous Filipino breakfasts. Okay, so what we have here homemade longganisa, or the sausages. We have the leftover rice, brown rice to be more healthier choice. We have tocino, homemade tocino, pork tocino. We have eggs. We have lots and lots of garlic. And of course, our tomato. Let's start cooking. Okay guys, so this is now our classic Filipino breakfast. Okay, so we have here our old rice. We mixed into fried rice with lots and lots of garlic. We have sunny side up eggs, our tomato, tocino or the pork. We have our sweet sausages or our longanisa. Let's eat. Our longanisa and tocino fried rice. We can also call it long silog and tusilog. Our classic Filipino breakfast.